Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to add Meta's new Llama 4 models into your VS Code if you want to use them to program or to code. And if in general you're interested to use the latest models, this is how you do it. So basically, we're going to use it through OpenRouter. OpenRouter is like this unified interface for LLMs like they have on their page. All it does is allows you to access any model that they have on the internet using one API key. So it's very, very cool if there's a new model that just came out and you want to access it or try it. And it's something like Llama 4 that requires a lot of hardware to use. This is where you can do it. And they basically host these models on their own machines. So what you can do is you can just go and do Llama 4 and you have the Maverick or the Scout. And of course you can see that there is the free model here. So we're going to choose actually the Llama 4 Maverick here. Next, you want to go into API and you want to create an API key and you want to grab that API key from OpenRouter. Now make sure you're logged into OpenRouter so you can get an API key and you can actually put in $5 into your balance in order to use this model, or you can use the free one as I said. So once you've created the API key and you've copied it, you want to go into VS Code and you want to install an extension called RooCode. And you can click install here. Once you've installed RooCode, you want to go on your settings right here. You want to click on OpenRouter instead of all the other choices that you have. You want to paste your API key right here that we just copied from OpenRouter. And then you want to choose the correct model. You want to choose Llama 4 Maverick or whichever one you're using. And if you're using the free, you can choose free here. That's it. You basically just save, you click done, and you're ready to start prompting right away. Just a heads up, from what I understand, the Llama 4 is kind of not that great right now through OpenRouter. I tried prompting it to create some simple websites. It wasn't doing a great job, but maybe you'll have better luck than me. But this is just the tutorial to show you how to use Llama 4 if you wanted to on your VS Code. But that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, I have a Discord channel for people who are interested in LLMs and like AI in general. So if you're interested in learning about AI and asking people about AI and large language models, join that Discord up. You might benefit from it greatly. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.